Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a really exciting journey to Royan city, also known as Royan, in the north of Iran. I left my house early in this morning with a ton of energy, ready to explore. The weather was perfect and I just knew it was going to be a great day. After grabbing my bag, I hopped in a taxi and before I knew it, I was in the bus station, ready to hit the road. We got to the bus station and I ate something before my friends arrived. And I ate tea and bread and some cheese to keep me safe and I won't get hungry in the way. And now we are in the bus and waiting for the driver to start driving. So let's start our journey to the north of Iran. Now, if you are coming from Tehran, the distance to Royan is about 230 kilometers and it takes around 4 to 5 hours to get there by bus, depending on the traffic and the route. Most people like me prefer taking the scenic Chadus road. It's one of the most beautiful roads in Iran and it makes the journey feel like part of the adventure.
So we finally arrived at Royan city. We chose Royan to visit because it was near Tehran and it's a peaceful city and we wanted this travel, this 2 or 3 days travel to be peaceful and more relaxing so we can have some time for ourselves. I have 2 backpacks, one in the front and one in my back.
So we took a nap after arriving in Royan city and we are going to eat lunch because we are so hungry and we decided to eat kebab, which is one of the most delicious and traditional dishes in Iran, especially north of Iran. So let's go and find a restaurant to eat something. A lot of you have asked if this city is good for a short trip from Tehran, and I would say yes, absolutely. Whether you are here to explore the bazaars, enjoy the local food, or just take in the beauty of the city, it's a perfect getaway. Make sure to bring some cash for the bazaars because you will find a lot of unique souvenirs to take home.
So now we are here at Amu Musa Catering in Royan city. We find this place on Google Map and one of our friends suggested this restaurant to eat here. It smells really nice and it is a really nice and calm restaurant. Hope the meal is really good too. And this is the side dishes we ordered. And I ordered kebab. We call it in Persian kebab. As I told you before, it is one of the most delicious and traditional dishes in Iran. And hope we enjoy it.
So now we are by the Caspian Sea and one of the locals told us that there is a bazaar here. They call it in their local language Wednesday Bazaar and we are going to see what's happening there. So let's see. So here we are at the traditional bazaar in Royan city called the Seshanbe Bazaar. These kinds of bazaar are really common in cities across Iran and they are a must-visit destination if you want to experience the local culture. You can find all sorts of things here: fresh fruits, spices, handmade crafts, and even traditional clothing. It's not just a place to shop, it's where people from the city come together, chat, and keep the old traditions alive. What I love most about bazaars like this is how every corner has its own story. Each vendor has something unique, whether it's handmade rugs, local clothing, or even home-brewed herbal teas. You can really get lost wandering through the narrow aisles, discovering hidden treasures. And it's not just about what you can buy. You can get to interact with the people, super friendly, always smiling, and ready to share their stories. If you stop by a shop, don't be surprised if they offer you a cup of tea and invite you to chat. The hospitality here is incredible, and you will feel like you are part of this community, even if it's your first time visiting.